Hi everyone, let's see how we can create this presentation and how it looks like. You see, the thing is that it's really nice to look and it's come from the time in the back. So let's see how we can create that. We need to format the background and change the background color to black and apply it to all. Then copy this text, but before that we need to create this format. How we can create that format? It's really easy. We need to create a rectangle, and after creating a rectangle, you need to use this shape. Create one here, and then you need to align it center, align it middle, and hold Ctrl and Shift, create a copy of that, and have the Cold and Shift and bring one here also, and bring it a little down, and press Ctrl A, go to shape format and make them fragment. Now everything is ready. Delete the part that you don't need. Okay, and after creating that, copy the text. Some of you may ask how we create this text. It's use script C, it's a text, and also after that use this thing for the format. You see, it's easy. Then copy that, but before that you need to color this thing. Let's go to shape format, shape outline to none, the color you want. I tell you something light is going to look better, and the shape effect is up to you, but sometimes a little shadow or reflection or glow, it's up to you. I think a little glow is going to go nice, and copy that. But before copying that, you need this text, and copy this text, paste it here. You see the text is really amazing because this use this font, and the font is really making something another word. And we have the text, bring it up, and after that insert a. Bring it to the back, make it to none, and make it white. And bring this to front, and bring this to the back. Then copy that slide, then bring it here, and it's here. Okay, now set the transition to morph. Your slide is ready. Let's take a look. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.